Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now look at to the page 254, example 4. Okay, so integrate 1 over square root of x squared plus 2x minus 3 of the dx. Okay, so what is the first step here? So the first step, you need to apply completing this square. We have here x squared plus 2x minus 3. So when you apply completing this square, so x plus, so b divided by 2, so you will get 1 here squared. So b over 2 you squared, so you will get 1 here. So negative 3 remain as negative 3. Okay, then we just rearrange, so you will have x plus 1 squared minus 3 minus 1, so you will get minus 4. Okay, now our square root of x squared plus 2x minus 3, now it is become x plus 1 squared minus 2 squared. So this one is your x. So now it is in terms of x squared minus a squared square root. So when you have in terms of like this, what you need to do is we have to let our x equivalent to a secant theta. Okay, but now our x is not x, so our x is x plus 1. So therefore x plus 1 is actually equivalent to a secant theta. So your a is 2 secant theta. So your x is actually equivalent to 2 secant theta minus 1. So dx is equivalent to differentiate, so you will get 2 secant theta tangent theta d theta. So dx over square root of x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equivalent to, so dx over x plus 1 squared minus 2 squared. So substitute everything in terms of theta. So your dx is 2 secant theta tangent theta d theta over your x plus 1 just now is equivalent to 2 secant theta. So this one is 2 secant theta. So squared minus with 4. So everything is square root. This one is actually your x plus 1. And take out 2. So you have in your numerator secant theta tangent theta over, so secant theta squared, so you will get secant squared, so 2 squared, so you will get 4 here, so 4 secant squared theta minus 4, so we can factor out 4 secant theta tangent theta over 4 secant squared theta minus 1 square root d theta. Secant squared theta minus 1, by using identity, it is equivalent to tangent squared theta. So tangent squared theta, use square root, so you will just get tangent theta. So here square root of 4, so you will get 2. So 2 over 2, so you can cancel out later on, so what left is only 1. So you just have here secant theta tangent theta. In your denominator, you just have tangent squared theta, so d theta. So this one you just have tangent theta, you can cancel out with the tangent theta in your numerator. Secant theta d theta left, so you just integrate secant theta directly, so you will get ln secant theta plus tangent theta plus c. So please remember that our original variable is x, so you need to change everything in terms of x. So from here, x plus 1 is equivalent to 2 secant theta, therefore secant theta is equivalent to x plus 1 over 2. So you can put 1 over cos theta is actually equivalent to x plus 1 over 2. Therefore, cos theta is actually equivalent to 2 over x plus 1. So we can draw this right angle. So we have here theta. So cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Your adjacent is 2. So your hypotenuse is x plus 1. So what will be your opposite? So opposite is equivalent to x plus 1 squared minus with the 2 squared and then square root. So this is your opposite. So therefore your tangent theta is equivalent to opposite over adjacent. So x plus 1 squared minus 4 over your adjacent is 2. So equivalent to ln secant theta is x plus 1 over 2 plus tangent theta is square root of x plus 1 squared minus 4 over 2 then plus c. So this is your final answer.